Hello everyone. So it is my fourth digital lesson from Pedology 1. So in today's video we are going to be discuss about chapter Australia. So we are going to be learn about Australia. So let's move forward and learn about Australia. So as we know, there are seven continents of the world which are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. So one of the continent is the Australia, and it is the smallest continent of the world, and it is the second largest country of the world. So now we will going to see about the Australia. Australia is the only continent of the world that is also a country. So Australia is the only continent which is country also and continent also. Australia is called an island continent because it is surrounded by the water all side. Water all side. Australia is the smallest continent of the sixth largest continent in the world. The population of the Australia is spare and uneven distributed due to large desert area. If we are going to see the Australia's population is distributed unevenly because in this Australia there are majorly area is covered by the desert area. Nearly two-thirds of the Australia is covered by the desert. So if we are going to divide Australia in the three parts, so two parts are covered from the desert. The most of the Australian population lives along the eastern and the southeastern coastal. So major of the Australian population live on the coastal area. On the coastal area, the majorly population live at eastern and southeastern coastal area. Captain James Cook landed on the East Australia or East coastal of the Australia in 1717, and the first English settle arrived in Australia in 1788. Portugal, Dutch, and Spanish sailors knew about Australia before the British settlement. Australia is the one of the most economical developed country with the high urban area. So Australia is the country which is highly developed because majority of the population is engaged in the manufacturing and the service sector. So if we are going to see the Australia location, so it is in the southern part of the world, southern eastern hemisphere. So Australia is the small continent which lies in the eastern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere of the world, where the tropic of Capricorn passes through the center of the Australia. If we are going to see the extent of the Australia, it is 114 degree east to 154 degree east